It's fucking brilliant just watching that. You going up for the thing in a sec, yeah.
Sniper somewhere in the bush line by there. I think the sniper's been hit. Or one of us goes straight, one of us goes round, could you? Yes. Getcha. Nah, you got the shot, so. Still aiming, are we? Oh, it's moving. Same tree, but he's aiming the opposite side of the tree now. You got a revolver, are we?
Hey, it's quick draw. You know what that is?
Yeah.
You know?
You see them both there. You're gonna have to go forward, you. Yeah?
They're like 5 steps.
Five. What are you firing? Both pistols?
Yeah. Revolvers.
Let's go. Can you see them both there? You're gonna have to go forward, you. Yeah?
They're like 5 steps.
Right. 5 strides. 5 strides. On my mark. Go. Let's try that again.
Wait.
Big strides. You walk to my count, okay?
Are you going to say fire or?
Here you go. 5. You turn around and shoot.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn shoot. He hit the last shot.
That's pretty good.
Second, no hit.
I did get shot in the chest.
Again. You got a brown?
Hey, 1 shot. Russian roulette.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn shoot. He hit the last shot. You second, no hit. I didn't hear it.
I did get shot in the chest.
Last one. Do it again.
I need to refill quickly.
1 shot. Russian roulette.
Okay.
Side game, is it? Lose a good dance back arena. Oh, yes. Back to back. You just wasted it.
Russian roulette.
No, it's still there.
Oh, that's what you're doing.
Nah. Can't do that with 1 round.
For sure, can I?
The neck.
The neck.
I did it in the neck.
Why can't I do the
In the
helmet?
neck.
I do the chest.
No, I did it in the neck. You do it.
I don't want to shoot close range.
Come on.
Is he allowed to spin the barrel in?
We already spun.
Yeah, I know, but you might hear the sound of it.
Oh, actually, that's hard doing it right-handed.
Nothing.
Oh, we playing Russian roulette now. Oh, sweet. It's fucking brilliant just watching that. You going up to the thing in a sec, yeah. It's like they're both just doing it constantly to themselves, like, what the fuck?
Has it really come out yet?
No, I think he's going off on that, but I think there's BB, there's meat. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh wow, that's cool.